new effort underway tonight to get rid of a word that is offensive to people with disabilities.
As Rose Schmidt explains, disability rights advocates say this is long overdue. Rose?
Yes, well, it may be hard to believe that in 2019, the R word can still be found in Wisconsin state regulations, but advocates hope that it won't be for long.
Grace is the light of our life.
Patrick Ryan can't help but smile as he talks about his 10-year-old daughter.
When we first got the diagnosis, it was tough. We had to kind of digest it. We were able to find out prior to her birth, but that gave us time to adjust and to get support, which is key.
As a board member at Gigi's Playhouse, he's a big advocate in the disabilities community, as is Representative John Jagler.
I have a daughter who's 21 years old. She has Down syndrome and very tight with folks in that community.
That's why he's proposing a bipartisan measure that would remove an offensive word from Wisconsin state law.
For reasons that I think are pretty obvious to those of us in the disability community, that the term is outdated. Mental retardation is outdated.
Anytime the R word appears in administrative code and administrative rules, it would be replaced with the phrase individuals with intellectual disabilities. And it's used a lot more than you'd think.
I think it's 87 different instances where it is in the administrative rules process.
Advocates testified in support of the measure Tuesday before a Senate committee, explaining that the word is still being used in a derogatory way.
It happens today, and we can't stop that, but at least we can stop this. We can take it out of regulation. We can take it out of statute, and I think this is an important step toward where we need to be.
And while you may have grown up hearing the word, it's taken on a different form.
And it's still somewhat accepted in lots of circles. And I think we need to get the message out really from a real-life standpoint and really personalize it so that people can understand the impact that that word has.
And that starts with understanding people like Grace in the lives that she's touched.
Now we could not imagine our life without our daughter Grace.
The Senate committee will vote on the bill in the coming weeks, and in the state assembly, the bill was referred to the Committee on State Affairs, but it has not been scheduled for a public hearing just yet.
All right, Rose, thank you.